In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to activate CTV on your TV using the activation code. Follow our easy guide to start streaming your favorite shows and movies on CTV today. Step-by-step guide. Introduction. Hi everyone, welcome back to your channel name. In today's video, we're going to show you how to activate CTV on your TV. This will allow you to access all your favorite shows, movies, and live events directly from the CTV app. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the CTV app on your TV. First, ensure your TV is connected to the internet. Open the CTV app on your smart TV or device. If you don't have the CTV app yet, head to your app store, download it, and open it. Step 2. Select Activate your device. Once the CTV app is open, you should see a screen that prompts you to sign in. Look for the option that says Activate your device or Activate with a code. Click on it. Step 3. Retrieve the 5-digit activation code. After selecting the activation option, you will see a 5-digit activation code displayed on your TV screen. Keep this code visible, as you'll need it for the next step. Step 4. Visit the CTV activation website. Now, on your computer, smartphone, or tablet, open a web browser and go to https://www.ctv.ca. Activate. This is the official activation page for CTV. Step 5. Enter the activation code. On the activation page, you will see a field where you can enter the 5-digit activation code from your TV. Type the code carefully into this field and click on the Submit or Activate button. Step 6. Sign in to your CTV account, if needed. If prompted, sign in to your CTV account. If you don't have an account yet, you may need to create one by following the instructions on the screen. Step 7. Complete the activation. After entering the code and signing in, you should receive a confirmation message on both your web browser and your TV screen. Once you see the confirmation, the CTV app on your TV will be activated. Step 8. Start streaming. Now that your device is activated, you can start streaming all the content available on CTV directly on your TV. Enjoy your favorite shows, movies, and live events. Conclusion. That's it. You've successfully activated CTV on your TV. If you have any issues, make sure your internet connection is stable and try the steps again. If you need any further assistance, leave your questions in the comments below, and we'll be happy to help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials. Happy streaming!